Cocktail Day. I have Annie Bennett here at the ADK Traveling Bar. She's going to whip up a few cocktails for us using featured vendors at our Adirondack Wine and Food Festival. Stay tuned.
ADK Traveling Bar is a mobile bartending service featuring great bartenders from the local area. We travel all over New York State and we come to your backyard, venue, anywhere really. We are coming your way June 27th and 28th for the Adirondack Wine and Food Festival. The first cocktail we're going to be presenting is the Limoncello Lemon Drop Martini, one of my favorites. We're going to be using Prospect Mountain White from Adirondack Winery, the presenting sponsor of the festival, as well as Lake George Distillery's vodka and Springbrook Farms Distillery's Limoncello. Our next cocktail is going to be the Berry Wine Spritzer. We're going to be featuring the Adirondack Winery's Berry Breeze and the More Good, a gold sponsor of the festival's syrup.
We are thrilled to have Annie and the ADK Traveling Bar at this year's Wine and Food Festival. It's June 27th and 28th, and ticket prices are still 30% off for the next day. So please be sure to go to adkwinefest.com/tickets to get yours today. Now my favorite part of the day with this lemon drop martini here and the Berry Wine Spritzer is a little cheers. Happy National Cocktail Day!